Welcome back to Stuff I Do. Today we unbox the Digitek 150 watt cob light. A quick look around the box and let's get right into opening it. This light comes with the Bowens mount and is very much like the Godox's SL series. As far as brightness is concerned, it stands somewhere in between the SL100 and SL150 of Godox. In the box, an instruction manual, long power cable, I think it's around 2.5 to 3 meters. And the light itself. The light has got a remote control which takes two AAA batteries. The light looks sturdy in construction, comes with a plastic protective cover. As you can notice, this is my first cob light with the Bowens mount. At the back, a knob for light intensity, a power button. Let's get this cover back on before I show you the rest of the light. The yoke is strong. There's a knob here at the bottom for you to secure an umbrella for diffusion. The umbrella goes in through the holes in the front and then you tighten the knob at the back. Let me now show you the brightness. I've locked the camera settings at f5 1/50 on a 24mm lens. The dimmer setting on the light is 10%. It does not go below 10%. And as you can see, from pitch black almost, it gets to a pretty bright setting. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please do consider subscribing.